Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to get API key on your Shopify account. So first, head over to your Shopify admin panel and then locate your settings, click on it, then go over to apps, then click on developer apps. And then here you're going to click on build apps in dev dashboard. Then next, once you're taken to this page, you're going to locate the create app button, click on it. So you're going to give your app a name. And then once you give it a name, go ahead and click on create. Then once your app is created, you're going to go over to settings. And then right here under the credentials, you see the client ID and secret. Now in the older versions of Shopify, you could just copy your permanent API key on this page. However, it's moved over to a more secure access option. In this new dev dashboard we're using, Shopify has moved to a more secured system. The workflow now is to have your client ID and secret. This will identify your app. So as an option, if you're using a third-party tool like Zapier or Make, these tools will ask you for your client ID and client secret. Once you provide them, the tool, whatever tool you're using, will automatically do the exchange for you. So you don't need to find a separate API key. The tool handles the secret handshake because you've provided your client ID and secret. Same as you would if it was providing an API key.